outside, nigga. Hold up. They got the window. Yeah. It's nice outside. As the band play. Hey, I've been looking for the sun for 7 days, but all I see is this rain that's been coming down. Peep the sky, all I saw was gray. Should I leave or should I stay? Cause my inspiration to paint these pictures been limited. My colors ain't many, could feel them dimming. Another page in my book of life. I've been trying to climb these obstacles. Are they real or optical illusions? Man, I can't say where I'm headed, but where I came from. You make the bed that you laying. No matter what dream you chasing, and I'm chasing, I ain't running away. You gotta know the difference. A coward dies 1,000 times, it's all scientific. I only got one life to live, and I don't know what's the distance. I gotta run just like Nipsey got marathon. Mothers losing their sons and their daughters. It's like the sun and the water evaporated just to do the same thing. Will the cycle ever change? From the land of the slaughter, where they locking up our fathers, trying to lock us up. Disorder is all the order we know. The law and order been ordered to cut us down for we grow when they poison our seeds. But Mother Nature clashed with Father Time. Found a second to rhyme on my environment and trying to find the beauty that's surrounding shit. Wandering around my state of mind, and what I find is that it's so much shit to find as I try to expand my knowledge. My prescription for fun is percussion, trumpet, the sonic vibrations. We like a band that play for Sega, but it's not a game. Suffered a lot of pain, so I'm grateful for what I gained. A different cloth, learn from mistakes even if they left a stain. This shit was made for me. Stress my mama, but I'm knowing that she prayed for me. Stuck in the eye of the hurricane, swerving trying to fly. I ain't certain what's in my way, but I know I gotta maintain through the rain. Ayy, counting my blessings, thankful for another day. Use every second trying to find my way about this motherfuckers.
Just let go of sorrow, like there's no tomorrow. Cause tonight might be your last. So stay up till sunrise. Wipe the tears from your eyes. Leave it in the past. The past, the past, the past, the past. Leave it in the past. The past, the past, the past, the past. Leave it in the past.
Breakdance and boogie, my love. This is 1971. I crave that brain and that flesh. Cups of tea and gums that bleed red. Say you wrap the plastic in white. Say you single all of my life. Blackest skin disfigure my crimes. Credit cards and losing my mind. Piece by piece they stitch me. Ain't no love, I'm still banging out Whitney. I can't cry for those who ain't with me. I can't praise the Lord, please forgive me. Pink like pussy, extra pushy. Hands up off me, she's so lovely. Fame and fortune, all those habits. Pink and white, them panties matching.
I want you to stay forever. 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 The past, the past, the past, the past. Leave it in the past. The past, the past, the past, the past. Leave it in the past.
Ring ring, tryna get my old thing back, but baby I always wanna bring up shit from the past. Whoa, our options are limitless. Putting in effort for the effort is too effortless. Whoa, fuck check, see the necklace. Gold hit her lips every time that I'm hitting it. I told her, baby, I'm sorry, but if you think we got problems, then baby, watch Mari. Yeah, that's why you gotta smell the roses. We parted ways like she cheated with Moses. That's fucked up, but a lot of things are. In Hollywood, but I never see stars. Do anything for you, that's love. Go anywhere for you, that's love. Might even kill for you, that's love. And if you're still tripping, that's drugs.
Just let go of sorrow, like there's no tomorrow. Cause tonight